Hi, I'm Ali Carson, data scientist here at Cadence. In this edition of Kadence Pulse, we looked beyond simple averages to understand how teams across different industries are actually using the office in 2025. Not just how much, but how predictably, how purposefully, and how often they show up. First, a quick look at who's in the dataset. Most of our customers come from finance and insurance, followed by professional and business services, and education and non-profit sectors. That mix shapes the trends we're seeing. At the start of the year, healthcare and pharmaceutical companies led in office usage, but by May and June, professional and business services had taken the lead, with manufacturing and industrial companies rising quickly behind them. At the other end, media and entertainment remained low throughout, and sustainability organisations showed the biggest swings from month to month. When it comes to timing, Tuesday continues to dominate across most sectors. It's the busiest day for finance, government, education, manufacturing, and even media. But patterns start to shift once you zoom in. Retail, consulting, and healthcare teams show a more even rhythm across Tuesday through Thursday. Instead of one big spike, they spread their attendance more evenly through the core of the week. Tech and real estate companies tend to centre their office use on Wednesdays. And then there's healthcare. It's the only sector with meaningful attendance across all 5 weekdays. No sharp Monday drop, no early Friday exit, just steady, reliable presence every day. That kind of consistency is rare, and it might be what sets some sectors apart and how effectively they coordinate in-person work. Now here's where it gets really interesting. We looked at how usage is distributed across all days of the year and found that while low occupancy days are common, a few sectors show remarkably consistent, high-capacity office use. Professional services recorded the most full office days, and manufacturing had a strong showing too. Finance and insurance was different. It split into two groups, one barely using the office to others showing up more regularly. That tells us flexible work isn't one size fits all, it's layered, and it needs space strategies to match. What this data shows is that predictability might be the most valuable hybrid metric. When teams have a clear rhythm, you can plan better, collaborate more effectively, and use your office more efficiently. And even if different groups use space in different ways, that's not a problem, it's a signal. It means you have insight to adapt your strategy to what's actually working. Want to see how your teams compare and how you can design around real rhythms of your workplace? Book a demo with our hybrid experts. We'll help make sense of the patterns and turn them into performance.